Okay, so this is without a 10 millimeter spacer. This is with, so definitely there's a difference, and quite a lot. We do pick up on top. We are picking up 1, 2, 3, 4 more stars.
Spacer
3 more
between the
stars
focal
at least,
reducer
and
the,
on the
and
side
the
on the
camera.
right,
Okay.
that star is right on the edge,
So
and this one
magnifies a little bit
is
with a
much
spacer,
further.
huh?
So yeah, there's a
You'll have
good,
you'll have a wider field of
there's
view,
quite a
lower
difference
power.
actually with a 10 millimeter spacer, which means possibly I might be able to go with a 20 millimeter spacer. So what I'd like to do though right now is to fine tune the focus. I'm going to go with the zoom and try to get the best focus as I can with this high magnification.
It's going ugly.
All right, let's see what we could come up with here. Hang on a sec, bear with me, folks. Things looks ugly now, that's okay, and it's intended to be that way. We just want to find the sweet spot for the focus. So the faint stars in there, we want to see them a little bit more pinpoint, or as round or pinpoint is more what I'm looking for. Okay, we're getting there. Once we're going to back out or back off, it will. Ooh, that's ugly. Hang on, it moved. Normally I would put the exposure shorter because the, which I could do. Oh, I've got my share of that, I tell you. So 3173. Let's bring the house down here a bit. And I don't need a bottom-up mask or anything like that. So going short exposure allows us to get a instant response. 31. Hang on a sec, folks. Hang on. Let me dial in a really good focus here.
It's 6 seconds right now. How do you focus when you're
I'm
in
just observing the faint stuff here.
61?
All right, and okay, this is good.
Half a second.
Oh, it's better. It's not good. It's just better. 31.
That's three.
What was I?
3 seconds.
31. 75, I think it is. Oh, no, 31.25. It's good. Okay, and now we're going to put back the screen here to full width. There you go. Ah, look how nice pinpoint the little tiny stars are. Now we get the study here and see if we've got any vignetting and coma. This is before without the spacer, and this is with the spacer. So the greater the distance from the focal reducer lens to the detector or the sensor or the array, the greater the distance, the more reduction you're going to get, the wider field of view. Using a 16-inch, the light cone is huge, therefore very narrow field of view. Yeah, this is with, that's correct, it will. This is with the focal reducer on and 10 millimeter. Watch this, I'm going to flip to the picture I took earlier. This is without the 10 millimeter. And because I'm in Altaz, the picture is going to rotate. Okay, this is without the 10 millimeter. That's correct. No, 001 is not live. It's a picture. Right now it's live. So right now it's live with the 10 millimeter spacer. 0001 is the picture I took without the 10 millimeter before I changed it. So let's go to the one without. And yes, we do have more magnification. So the field of view is not as good. It's narrower, more magnification. Don't forget the scope is 4,064 millimeter focal length. F10, that's 16 inches. It's massive. Massive. Okay, and this is with the 10 millimeter.
Yes, you definitely got a wider field of view.
Not bad at all. What I'm going to do now is go and remove, I'm going to see if I got a 20 millimeter. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to try the other focal reducer. This one has multiple lenses in it, and it's a little bigger unit. So give me a couple of minutes, folks. I'm just going to go over and flip that over. Here's what I'm going to do. I'll take a snap or a picture. Boom, here it is. So now we've got a picture of with the spacer, without spacer, with spacer, without spacer. It's kind of cool. I'm going to leave it there for now. No, this is live. This is what I needed out. Give me a couple of minutes, folks. I'm just going to get up, go on the other side, take everything off, and I'm leaving everything, all the adjustments the way they are, because